Welcome to MooMooMath and Science. In this video, let's go over how to set up proportions in order to solve word problems. And let's use this word problem as an example. It says the local restaurant has a cook-to-serve ratio of 2 to 5. The total number of cooks and servers is 42. How many less cooks are there than servers? Okay, let's begin by setting up some ratios. We're given cook to server 2 to 5. So we're going to go 2 to 5. And the 2 represents cooks and the S represents servers. And a lot of times I like to go ahead and put an initial so that I can set up the proportion properly. We also could set up these ratios. We know that we have total 2 cooks for our total of 7. 5 plus 2, we have 7 total. And then if we want to do servers to the total, we would do 5S for the total. Now, in just a second, you'll see why I needed to do this. So now let's move over here and let's see what it asks us. It says it gives us the total number of cooks and servers is 42. How many less cooks are there than servers? So it's looking for cooks. So I'm going to write a C here. And it gives us the total right here. So this would be total. So this proportion needs to be set up on this side, needs to be set up the same way. That is key to doing proportions. So I'm going to do cooks to total. Well, now I can go over here and I can see that cooks to total is 2 to 7. And here I'm looking for cooks. And I know it's given me total of 42. Okay, so there is my 2 ratios set up properly. So I have cooks for the numerators, and total as my denominator. So it's set up properly. Let me rewrite this so it won't be so confusing. So we have 2 over 7 equals x over 42. And the x is going to be the number of cooks that we have in proportion to the servers. So I'm going to do a cross multiply. 2 times 7 is 7x equals 2 times 42 is 84. Then I'm going to divide through by 7. And these cancel. And 84 divided by 7x is equal to 84 divided by 7 is 12. So I have, let's fill in, what does this x tells us? It tells us the number of cooks. Okay, so we have, out of 42, we have 12 cooks. So how many less do we have? Well, 42 minus 12, we have 30 servers. So we have 30 less cooks than servers because we have 30 servers and 12 cooks. The key to the proportions is setting up the ratios to where you have the same units in the numerators and the denominators. I hope this was helpful.